Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we will discuss Etsy and all its features, so stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Etsy refers to the process of researching and monitoring Etsy before starting your shop. This involves analyzing competitors, trending products, customer preferences, pricing strategies, and Etsy policies. Things to watch before starting on Etsy. Market research, identify trending products and niches. Competitor analysis, study successful shops and their pricing, descriptions, and reviews. Etsy fees, understand listing fees. Transaction fees and payment processing fees. SEO and keywords, learn how to optimize listings for Etsy search results. Etsy policies, familiarize yourself with seller policies and prohibited items. Product photography, high-quality images are crucial for conversions. Shipping and handling, decide on pricing. Delivery times and packaging. Would you like help with a specific step? Etsy, everything you need to know. Etsy is an online marketplace focused on handmade, vintage, and unique factory-made items. It is a great platform for artists. crafters, and small businesses to sell their products. 1. How Etsy works. Sellers create an Etsy shop, list their products, and manage orders. Buyers browse and purchase items. Leaving reviews after transactions. Etsy provides tools for marketing. Analytics and customer communication. Two key features of Etsy. Handmade and vintage focus. Items must be handmade. Vintage, 20+ years old, or craft supplies. Global marketplace. Sell to buyers worldwide. Built-in SEO. Etsy search helps customers find your products. Seller tools includes shop analytics, advertising, and shipping integrations. Three Etsy fees and costs. Listing fee, 20 cents per item, valid for 4 months. Transaction fee, 6.5% of the sale price, including shipping. Payment processing fee, varies by country, usually 3 to 4% plus a small fixed fee. Etsy ads, optional. Pay-per-click advertising to boost product visibility. 4. How to start selling on Etsy. Create an Etsy account. Sign up at etsy.com. Open your shop. Choose a shop name, country, and currency. List products. Add photos, descriptions, prices, and tags. Set up payments. Link a bank account for payouts. Manage shipping. Choose shipping options and policies. Market your shop. Use social media, Etsy ads, and promotions. Engage with customers. Respond to messages and reviews to build trust. 5 Etsy seller success tips. Use high-quality photos, clear. Bright images attract buyers. Optimize product listings. Use relevant keywords and detailed descriptions. Price competitively. Research similar products to set the right price. Offer great customer service. Quick responses and good packaging lead to positive reviews. Stay active. Regularly update listings and add new products. Would you like help setting up your Etsy shop or choosing a niche?